First, if you're caught in possession of drugs, you may not face charges. That's only if cops can't prove your intent. We're going to talk with an attorney about a judge's new ruling next.
And saving you some cash in the Farm Patrol 357 at the Citgo on South US 1792 near Fernwood Boulevard in Fern Park, at the Hess Station on Violet Road and Polynesian Isle Boulevard in
Could be back on the streets. A Florida judge says the state's drug abuse prevention and control law is unconstitutional. So it means if someone's found in possession of an illegal drug and police can't prove that you know about it, your intent, well, then you won't face charges. Defense attorney Hal Yerg is joining us right now. Hal, with this new ruling, defense attorneys all over the state have got to be licking their chops right now. You among them, right?
There's going to be a lot of word processors buzzing. I'm not convinced that because the federal district court entered this ruling that every court in the state of Florida is necessarily immediately bound by it. It's still subject to appeal to the 11th Circuit, to the U.S. Supreme Court, and so forth. But having just read the opinion, it's pretty well written, it's well thought out, and what it seems to say is that Florida, being the only state in the United States that has removed guilty intent, or what they call mens rea, from the statute and the drug statute, that they're not going to put up with it. It violates fundamental constitutional due process. And what the court says is Florida's drug statute, 893.13, is unconstitutional on its face. That's pretty breathtaking.
Well, let me put this in terms Bob Fryer understands. Is this the new, hey, that ain't mine law?
No, it's the... suppose someone, an example given, someone puts something in your kid's backpack and he doesn't know it's there, and the school officials find it and say, you're in possession of drugs, so you're guilty. He says, I didn't know it was there.
Right.
And the federal district judge says, if you don't know it's there, you're not guilty of a crime. The Florida legislature in 2002 kind of gave the Florida Supreme Court its comeuppance. Florida Supreme Court had said you have to have guilty knowledge. Florida legislature said, yeah, we'll write the laws, thank you very much. Right. That's not what we meant.
There you go. Hey, that ain't mine. Hey, that ain't mine law.
Somebody else's.
Is it guys in jail can come back and say, hey, I didn't know it was there either.
I'm not at all sure it's going to help retroactively for those that are serving their sentences. Okay. But there are thousands of these cases pending all over the state of Florida.
All right. Hal, Hal, always good to get your opinion on this.
It'll be interesting.
Okay. Good luck with your word process.
Thank you.
All right. Florida Attorney General's office says that it is reviewing the ruling and will determine its next steps.